to today's video. As you can see by the title, we are installing the tomei catback on the WRX. I've been waiting for this exhaust for a while now. I actually installed a muffler delete on the WRX, and I stated in the video, if you guys haven't watched it, that exhaust was pretty much like a temporary setup until we get the tomei. Finally got the tomei in stock, finally got it shipped to my house. Grabbing a quick bite to eat before we work on this install. I just hate working on the car when I'm starving and hungry. I'm curious on what you guys get over at Chick-fil-A. I mean, this place right here is pretty much my go-to whenever I'm hungry, honestly. This place in Chipotle. But at Chick-fil-A, I always get the spicy chicken sandwich, not the deluxe, with honey mustard. Swap the fries with a large mac and cheese, and I either get a lemonade or the frosted lemonade as a drink. What do you guys get at Chick-fil-A? I'm curious to see what you guys get, and maybe I'll try it out. I'm not even home yet, and I'm already like almost finished with this. Literally, it tastes like those orange popsicles, like those orange creamsicles. It tastes exactly like this. Alright guys, we gotta throw the car on the ramps. So this is pretty much a last cold start with this exhaust right here. Faction Fab muffler delete. Last time we'll hear this as a cold start. Now honestly, my predictions, I feel like the tomei is not going to be that big of a difference compared to the exhaust I already have on the car. I don't know why. I feel like I've heard a few of them online, and I feel like it's not that loud until you install like a J-pipe or something. But in my case, I don't have a J-pipe installed yet. I actually have one inside of the house, but I still have the stock J-pipe on the WRX right now. Who knows? I don't know, maybe it'll be a little bit louder with the tomei, but my predictions with the stock J-pipe, I feel like it'll be probably close to the same. Danny thinks it's gonna be louder. I don't know though. We'll see. Alright guys, so we just got the car jacked up, and I just real quickly want to show you guys how good the rear end looks on this car. Like, we got the trunk, the tails, the fourth brake light, and we just go under and you can just see all the suspension components that we installed. We got the Cusco lower control arms. It just looks so dope from like under. It just looks so sick. Dude, this thing is massive. Dude. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Alright guys, so we got the tomei unwrapped, and this thing is absolutely massive. I did not know it was gonna be this freaking huge, and I'm surprised how light this thing is. Like, literally one hand can pick this thing up so easily. So with the exhaust, obviously it comes with, looks like the hangers for the muffler, has a silencer which we won't need. We got the gaskets, hardware, and I believe this is for the mufflers as well, so it doesn't scratch. It's also pretty sick. It comes with a license plate, a whole bunch of stickers, and a badge right here. But guys, just look at this. This is so sick. I don't think I've ever seen a brand new tomei in person. It's just crazy how clean this thing is, and just the pie cuts, so clean. Like, I almost don't even want to install it. Like, it's gonna get so dirty once I put it on the car. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and put this exhaust together, and then when we put it up to the car, it'll be all in one piece. So it could just bolt up like that instead of doing it piece by piece on the car. Finally, stock exhaust is coming out. Here we can do a side-by-side comparison of the tomei and the stock slash muffler delete that we had on the WRX before. Obviously the huge difference you can tell is the tomei is a single exit versus the stock, which is the dual exit. Also on the stock, as you can tell, it's pretty narrow in the piping. The huge difference you can see right here is it's like super thin. Like, I don't know, that's probably like 1.5 inches I want to say, versus the tomei, which is way wider. This is a 3-inch diameter. It's probably like the smallest exhaust piping I've literally ever seen. Yeah guys, we're losing sunlight. It's getting super dark out, so without further ado, let's throw on the new tomei. Alright guys, it is the next day. Last night we actually ran out of daylight. We weren't able to finish the install of the tomei on the WRX, but as you guys can see, we just finished it up right now. Just got home from work and actually tightened up a few of the bolts to secure the tomei, and it is looking absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think? This thing looks so nice. 100 times better than the dual tip muffler delete that we had on the car. It's just that nice titanium. We got the burnt tips, super clean pie cuts. This thing just runs so nicely. It looks so good. Once again, massive shout out and thank you to SubiSpeed. And pretty much every single thing we've put on the WRX so far, I've ordered from SubiSpeed. So mad love to them. I actually put a discount code right here on the screen if you guys want to save some money on your order from SubiSpeed or FT Speed. But yeah guys, I think you guys know what time it is already. Let's start this thing up, see what it sounds like. I don't know, I'm nervous. I feel like it's not gonna be that loud. I don't think it's gonna be like a huge difference compared to the old setup. I don't know. Let's just start it so we can see. Guys, I told you, it is so quiet. I'm literally like shocked. when you get on it, it sounds really similar to the muffler delete, but like casually just cruising it, like it sounds honestly stock. Driving with the windows up, pretty quiet. But straight out the box, the tomei could definitely use the J-pipe and much more exhaust mods. Now this is not it guys, this is pretty much like part one of like the videos that I'm gonna be making. Back at home, I actually have a front pipe, or a J-pipe I guess they're called on these cars, which is pretty much gonna open up this car 10 times more. So this is not it guys, I know it's super quiet. I know a lot of you guys were hyped on the tomei, but we did get the J-pipe so we can open the exhaust up more and make this car much louder. So J-pipe coming soon, as well as a stage 2 tune from Cobb. Still makes some pops. Ooh, that was loud. We're gonna get some exhaust clips. I have my girlfriend inside, she's gonna rev it a little bit. For now, I wanna get some exhaust clips of what just this sounds like. Just the tomei catback with the stock J-pipe and just how it is out the box. Let's see if it sounds better from the outside, because from the inside, it's super quiet, but we'll see from the outside.
Oh, yeah it is.
It is, huh?
Yep.
Can't wait to throw my J-pipe on.
Flies louder than this. It's like the same.
The same?
Yeah, this one's a slight bit louder. Like tiny bit. That a tomei dog?
You said you could barely really hear me coming?
Yeah, I was like, is that him or not?
I'll let you guys be the judge down in the comment section below. This exhaust goes for around $1,000 versus the one I had before, which is around $300. Do you guys think it's worth it spending $1,000 for this exhaust? Or would you just go with the muffler delete? Gotta enjoy it while it's quiet. It's tomorrow. We're putting the J-pipe on. It's not gonna be FRS status, but it's gonna be pretty loud. She likes a quiet exhaust. I can't. I think the car gets boring when the car is really quiet. So we have to make it loud.